Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal that I use for journaling. And I know I haven't showed the plan with me for this one in the last couple of weeks, so I'll show you a quick look in the last few weeks here. So last week using layered florals with jewel tone boxes. And then this week using Good Habits with the monochrome florals. And then this one using the Planny Thing box. So really, I'm going to show you guys this because my daughter left me a note. You were the best mom imaginable. So I'm getting really good at the habit of actually making sure that I write in my journal every day. So I'm glad that that at least is working out for my memory planning. If you guys don't know my actual memory planner, I've barely started it. I think I've done like a week or two. Anyway, but this week I'll be combining Colorful Leopard with Flower Power. Let's get started. Okay, so this whole theme of leopard and florals has gone so much better than I ever thought it would. I'm going to put that to the side on this. I didn't think it would go as well as it has been. So I'm really glad that, yeah, I'm just really glad that it has worked so well. So I'm going to see. I think I'm running out of boxes that I can use from the particular theme that I'm working with in Flower Power. Yeah, I think I am running out of these. Yeah, there's like 4 boxes. I mean, I could do with the gold. Gold's not really my thing. Okay, so what I might have to do is, let's see what the option is here for boxes. There's this, but I don't know. Do I need boxes? That's the thing. Am I gonna need boxes for something like this? Part of me is saying maybe not. Maybe I'll just... What I'm thinking of already doing is combining some of the full boxes with the different, like either leopard. So I think what I'm gonna start doing is on the first day, so Monday, let's actually just put this down here. Monday, I'll put this down, and I think what I'm going to do is do like a leopard full box and then a floral. The hard thing with this though is that the florals that I've got left are all on translucent paper, so that might make it a little bit more difficult to find stickers to put down, but I think it's still going to look really good. There we go. And then it does feel like it's missing something, but let me get back to that. Then let's do this one. I like this one. And I will end up covering the dates on most of these, but that's okay. I know what date it is. Then adding a little bit of the leopard. I think down here. I am taking up a lot of the writing room, so I might not do that one. I might use one of these. Yeah. Actually already really liking that. And then let's go back to, here we go. I'm going to be mixing this up and seeing how it works all together. Wish me luck. Actually, I am liking it so far. It's definitely a combination that I haven't really worked with before, but I really like being able to, ooh, did I finish that? I did. I really like being able to do something outside of my comfort zone. So let's do this one. And is there one smaller? No. I actually really like that. And then what I might do is actually I'll go back here and put this here. That helps it. What I think I'm also going to do is use some of this washi that's in here to kind of bring it together to add that third element in here. There we go. And then this one, you can't really see that. So if I put it like this, okay. Then down here will be, there's only really the same boxes left on this one. So let's see what I can do. So joie de vivre with, I'm pulling these out here. I am all over the place with these. So let me see. I love that one, and those are definitely ones I'm going to be using. Maybe I could just do a little heart. These are all going to look so different. There's going to be so much color on here that I'm not used to doing. Ooh, I like these hearts. I might add in these hearts. Okay. Then let's move on to this. Actually, now that I'm saying that, it does need a little bit of leopard print washi. There we go. Which color? This one. Actually, this one. No. Which one? Which one? Probably the lighter one. I'm gonna... How am I gonna make that work? I think my idea for the washi is a good one. I just don't know how to execute that. I'll leave it for now, and then find a full box to go on this side. I feel like I've pushed it all the way up so you guys can't see. So what I want to use is, I think these are the last two that I do want to use because I love them so much. And do this, actually move this up here. Then add, oops, which floral? Because this is now the tough part, right? Like I feel like now I can add a box. I haven't been able to, and then add just like a small, I wish these were somewhat smaller, but I'm liking the different combinations here. Then I'll take this green and place it here. I almost feel like I could place it like this, but let's place it like so. Then find, like these boxes could work too. Okay, let's grab a washi before I forget, and we'll add the green. Well, no, that's too much green. I think we will go with, I like the, yeah, we'll do the black and add it to, I feel like now is a good time as any to add that. What is it? Ah. Add this. It's definitely a different combination, but I actually don't mind that too much. Then Sunday, this one. Oh, I love this one. I love this box. So I'm gonna put that down here. And here I can add, I feel like I can add a floral box because the colors just go so well together. And then add a leaf maybe. I really like this combination. this is the thing, like when you go outside of your comfort zone and try combining different things, you will be pleasantly surprised with what you find works really, really well together. So last thing is I'm going to cover the bottom. I'm going to use this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right down the middle and place one here. And place one slightly further down. And then it's two sheets done. Then I'm going to fill up the remaining area with florals. Just which ones? Oh, all over the place. Oh, this one. Let's just use the big floral. The thing is, I might not use the whole thing. Let's find my X-Acto knife and my ruler and just cut. I'm just going to randomly cut. And place this here, right on the edge. Oh my goodness, I love that. Now I have to put a quote down. Let's put these two away. Put your heart into it, onto the next adventure. Let's see, you guys know that I really love the long quotes, but I do like the stop rushing through life. And then I think I will be done. Love it. What do you guys think? It's a little, hold on, let me get back in frame here. It's a little bit like, wow, definitely more than what I'm used to, but I really love it. And I'm so glad I chose this theme for my whole week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.